नमस्ते सभी को, मैं तनु एंड ये मेरी पहली व्लॉग है। वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग। आई एम ट्राइंग कि मैं एक व्लॉग बना सकूं एंड मैंने सोचा था कि मैं स्टार्टिंग से सब कुछ बनाऊंगी वगैरह 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 एंड सो ऑन। एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट ऑपरेटिंग टुडे a flight which I'm going and coming back, but I'm operating a flight where I'll go stay overnight. This is my 4th time to the place and I guess everybody knows which place is this. It's Phuket, Thailand. So चलो चलते हैं। मैं already बहुत late हूँ। I just gonna sip this cup of milk real quick so that it gives me a little strength and let's see. Till now अभी कोई plans नहीं है। I'll meet the crew and we'll finalize what we are going. मैं बोल रही थी would you cooperate on my first vlog?
अच्छा व्लॉग बनाओ, मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज आएगा।
नहीं भाई, आएंगे
वर्जन ऑफ द व्लॉग्स,
वर्जन ऑफ
वर्जन
this is the reason. Version of planted, that's why. Let us see our room first. Just have a look of my washroom. It's so cute. And my room. This gotta be my favorite room. Like it is so white. It's like super white. And I love it. I completely love it. I look little messy right now, but still I'm gonna take rest, and as it's my 4th time I may not have much plans this time, but I'll definitely go to 7-Eleven, maybe to the beach as well because beach is very nearby to my place. And uske baad let's see what's the plan. Oh, definitely let us see our room first. Just have a look of my washroom. It's so cute. And my room. This gotta be my favorite room. Like it is so white. It's like super white. And I love it. I completely love it. I look little messy right now, but still I'm gonna take rest, and as it's my 4th time I may not have much plans this time, but I'll definitely go to 7-Eleven, maybe to the beach as well because beach is very nearby to my place. And uske baad let's see what's the plan. Oh, definitely a time. Okay. Dancing. हम अभी तैयार होके नीचे आ गए हैं. I'm waiting for the rest of the crew. So we are gonna go to the beach, I guess now. Look at the view. It is so pretty, so sunny. It's hot as well. I don't know what is wrong with my camera. Whenever I open the front camera for taking selfies, it is weird. I don't know. I look so weird, but the video is fine. It's front camera though. I should be using back, but it's fine. We are out. Ye lucky. Can you walk? Oh. Hi.
So guys, we are going on which beach?
Laguna
Beach. That I never
second time for me. I guess it's straight.
I guess.
Yes, it's straight.
I think from here.
It's straight. Straight.
So I am exciting.
So am I. It's my second time to Laguna Beach, but still, so am I.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
She's so pretty.
Oh my god.
Hi, Alia.
Hi. बंद है. चल फिर next solo video.
हाँ. कौन सा चल के She takes wonderful pictures. So we went to the beach and now we came for a Thai massage, which is like so needed. We are tired. We have walked a lot, so now we need some Thai massage. So हम अभी बस आए मसाज करके. How was the experience, ma'am?
Amazing.
Out of this world. I was like relaxing. Oh my god, this is the best part. Not the ocean, not the food, nothing. It's Bangkok ka Thai massage. It's the oil massage. It's the smell of the herbal thing. Oh my god. I'm back in my room. I'm exhausted. After the massage and everything, we came back to the hotel, picked some pizza because I was very hungry. There was no Indian restaurant nearby. It does not matter either you are inside India or outside India, you have to have Indian food, otherwise you are like literally okay. So I finally got some pizza for me and I have already eaten. It looks bad, I know. Don't judge me. I don't eat roti ka, pizza ka, corner and whatsoever. I'm tired now. It was a very nice, good layover. I'm gonna sleep now and that's for it. I hope I edit this video and post it. That's more important, I guess. Have a very nice, peaceful layover. I'm gonna sleep. I have to wake up 5 in the morning tomorrow and it's already 10 o'clock. I have to call my parents and everything, talk to them for a while and then sleep. Okay, bye bye. We'll see you real soon.